The Hello Kitty Cafe truck is here in Fort Worth. Yay! That's in Las Vegas.
That's in Vegas. Look at the crowd.
I
Oh
know.
my God.
Fort Worth is in love with Hello Kitty.
Hello, Kati. Hello, Kiki.
Hi Kiki. Oh my God. Are we really going to fall in line?
Is this the line?
Yeah, I think that's the line.
Oh my goodness.
Is this the line?
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
it
the
is.
line.
Oh my gosh. What do you think? Can you do this?
Nah,
This is too much. Look at that line. I don't think that we will be able to endure this. Nah, it's not worth it.
probably be how many hours before
Yep.
we get to the front.
Look.
Let's just go back to Vegas. Let's just go back to Vegas.
Sa Vegas, walang pila. Ay, meron naman. Pero
Meron pila pero
maigsi.
hindi ganito.
I know.
This is overkill.
Yeah, because this is not like a permanent thing here in Fort Worth.
Well, yeah, the one in Vegas is a permanent food truck.
Mm-hmm.
This just is a pop up event for today.
Yeah.
For Hello Kitty.
But the line's moving. Nah.
I told you we should be here by 10 o'clock.
We'll be there at 10.
Hello.
Hello. Yep. Nope.